guys! Today's topic is Pigments modifiers. I will explain to you what are pigment modifiers and how to use them. Regarding to color wheel, colors on the opposite side of the wheel neutralize each other. We call them complementary colors. Opposite to blue-gray color is yellow-orange color. Opposite to pink color is yellow-green color. Yellow inks makes the color brighter, like a sun. Orange tones will warm up pigment. Green tones will neutralize and cool down the pigment. To fix unwanted tones in eyebrow's permanent makeup, Hanami produced two pigments modifiers. Ginger, that contains yellow and orange color. It is perfect to warm up pigment tone. Eyebrows will not heal in grey ashy tones. Ginger pigment modifiers can be also used to correct all blue-gray permanent makeup. Cider contains yellow, orange and green tones. It is perfect to correct old pink permanent makeup, but also will neutralize grey unwanted tones. If you would like to order Hanami pigments, please visit our website. Are you interested in starting career as a microblading or PMU artist? Don't hesitate to contact PE Academy. If you would like to watch more videos like this one, please give us thumbs up and subscribe the channel. See you!